In this video, we will see how to create table using Canva. Open blank video page, click on elements. In the search box, search for table. So you can see here different type of tables. Let's select this one. So we have rows and columns. Increase its size from here. You can select the column, and when you right click, we have different options. So let's click on add column. A new column will be added. Similarly, when you right click and click on add row, a new row will be added to the table. You can even adjust its width like this. This is first cell of the table, which is from heading row. Now let's drag it towards left side and make it to the full width. Now let's click on this cell and change font size, and we will write here heading name. Let's change font size to 50. Second cell, class, then roll number and subject. So this is the heading row. Now let's click on this cell and increase font size. Let's add here some names like this. When you click on the cell, it will be the active cell and you just have to type. Similarly, let's fill up other values, the class and roll number. You can change the text size from here. So let's select this row, and if you want to change the color, so now its color is changed to the selected color. You can even adjust its height from here. When this double-headed arrow appears on this line, you can adjust its height like this. So I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.